Lot number 214 is a 1996 Ford F-350 dually utility bed truck. It's got a 5.8 liter gasoline engine. It's missing some parts like the grill, the right headlight. It's got a dent on the fender. It's got a utility bed truck. It's got a lift gate in the back. The box looks a little bit beat up. It's got dents and scratches. It's got a lift gate. It's got some surface rust. The cab has some dents on the top. I noticed that the ECM computer was disconnected, so it might have had a problem with that. That's one of the reasons why it was probably retired. Let me open the hood so I can show you the engine. The engine appears to be complete. The interior is in really rough shape. The bench seat is torn. The dash bezel is cracked. Some switches missing. Dash cracked. No radio. Headliner hanging. Pretty rough in there. Let me show you the best part, which is the 5.8 liter engine. The oil is good. I checked it. Let's see if I can open this. It's got a 5.8, which is considered a 351. The oil is good. Can't give you the mileage, I don't know. We're gonna make it exempt because it's a digital odometer and we don't have a key for this vehicle either. So the tires, fair to worn. It's a dually. All right, that's pretty much it. Good luck.